Powder coating is strong stuff and removing it can be a real challenge. In this video, I'm going to talk about what hot chemical stripping is and how we take our customers' wheels, strip the paint off them and take them from this to this. I'm Rhys from Premier Wheels Midlands and we specialise in the full refurbishment of alloy wheels. Let's jump into it. Now, if you didn't know, powder coating is a way of covering different metals, in this case aluminium, with a layer of thick and durable paint that is baked or cured on using heat. It's used in many different industries, including wheel refurbishment. Now, if you've ever tried to remove powder coating from metal, you will have no doubt gone through the process of having to try and sand it down with lots of effort and very little reward. You may have even tried to use extreme heat to remove the powder coating, but when we're working with wheels, that can affect the structure and the integrity of wheel, which we definitely don't want. So here at Premier Wheels, we have invested heavily in hot chemical stripping tanks, as we feel that is the most effective and safest way of removing powder coating from alloy wheels. Our tanks hold around 1,200 litres of chemical and are heated to between 60 and 90 degrees Celsius. Each tank can hold up to 16 to 20 wheels depending on their size. For example, if we've got a set of 21-inch wheels and a set of 17-inch wheels, they'll fit inside one another. So you're effectively stripping the 17-inch set without taking up any extra room. So these wheels are in the queue for our chemical strip. The tyres, centre caps, wheel weights and tyre pressure sensors have all been removed. The chemical isn't suitable for plastics or rubber, so we need to make sure that it's just the aluminium that's going into the tanks. So now we're loading the wheels into the tank. We're going to need to leave them for around 4.5 hours so that the hot chemical can do its job, and then we'll come back and check on them a bit later.
A few moments later.
So it's been 4.5 hours now and we've come to check on the wheels. This is the really satisfying bit. I've put some protective gloves on for this bit because the chemical is hot and has a fairly strong acidic level, which you don't want to get onto your skin. Wearing the correct PPE for this job is essential. But you can see how the layers of powder coat are just peeling off in sheets, which is really satisfying. Yes, it is a bit of a messy and mucky job, but it's one of the main reasons we're able to offer such a high quality service to our customers. You see, once the wheels are completely bare metal, we're starting the refurbishment process from scratch, using the same methods that the manufacturer would have when the wheels were first made. Once the wheels are jet washed off and any excess paint is removed, you can see the wheel is back to bare metal, ready to be prepped and recoated to achieve that factory standard finish that we're aiming for. Now, don't get me wrong, the chemical tanks cost us thousands of pounds to buy and they cost us thousands of pounds to keep running and maintain. So if you want your alloys stripped back to bare metal, chemically stripping them is the best way to do that, and it's going to give you the best results when it comes to alloy wheel refurbishment. So I hope this video has given you a bit of value and a bit of an insight into how we remove powder coating here at Premier Wheels Midlands. I'll see you in the next one.